Hi, this is my new app, a scorekeeper for an open water swimming competition. We have two teams here, the general score and two metrics, speed for the team and stroke rate for the team. Each team has two swimmers and each swimmer is recorded for distance, time and strokes, breathings. So we press these buttons and we see a total here for each swimmer and also an average of the whole team. Now probably you have seen that the score is 0. What is this meaning? The competition is for 400 meters with 4 milestones, 100, 200, 300 and 400 meters. When a swimmer reaches a milestone, the first swimmer has 40 points. The second swimmer who reaches that milestone has 30 points, the third 20 points and the last has 10 points. And more, if the stroke rate, individual stroke rate, is outside of the range 50, 100, then they are subtracted 5 points because the ideal stroke rate is between 50 and 100. So let's test this. Now if we have here an ideal stroke of 60 strokes per minute and we reach 100 points here, 100 meters, we have 40. And the next one, say, reaches 100 meters, it has a stroke of 30 strokes per minute, so it will have 30 minus 5, 25, so 25 plus 40 are 65. So 65. This works the same here. Let's say the fourth swimmer reaches the third, so it will have, if it has, let's say, an average stroke of 70 strokes per minute, will have 20 minus 20. It will have 20. Okay, so 20. So this is working. And let's say if this one will reach the first 200 meters, we'll have 40 minus 5 will have 35, so 35 plus 25 is 60. So this is the app, and it's optimized also for landscape. The data is saved, as you see. Okay, and the reset button here. Good. So now let's see a little bit of code. I developed two XML files, one for portrait and one for landscape. I have used various layouts, nested layouts here, and I have also used customized files for landscape, and I have also optimized the app for another screen size, a Nexus 7. This is a Nexus 5. Let's go a little bit to the Java file. I learned a lot with this app. Here we have the initialization of variables, a lot of array variables, a lot of data here in this app, including a matrix, a double array. Here is the onSave instance state and onCreate instance state, also on restore instance state, for saving the data within the portrait and landscape rotation. And here I tried to optimize all the data in just a few methods. Also, here is the scoring. I used various conditionals and loops, also switch case. This is the reset button. And another thing to mention is that I have used global and local variables, and global variables were used not into integer but short, byte, and float, not double, in order not to occupy too much memory space. So this is my app. Thank you again. Thank you, Udacity. It was great, and I learned a lot in this with this app. Bye bye.